Good morning, everybody. This is Madonna from Mad Bees. How are you this morning? I am just touching base with you about our 11th day. It's hard to believe that we're almost through this. So for the 11th day, I have this great kit put together for you. It is to make this cute as a button little bag. So they have really cute little buttons on the ends. They have buttons on the front, but the nicest thing is how this bag opens. It's got a zipper pull in it. It's got metal stays in the top, so when you open it, you can actually see everything that's in there. How sweet is that? So it's a really fun bag. It went together in an afternoon for me. It was not hard by any means. I was even nervous about putting the metal stays in. Not a big deal. So everything is included in the kit. You will get the pattern, you'll get the buttons, you'll get the instructions on how to make these cute bee buttons on the ends. All of it is in the cute little kit, and the pattern, and the metal stays, and everything you need. The original price was $34.99, and right now we have it for $29.99. Awesome, awesome deal. So, and it is as cute as a button. I really enjoyed making it. So that's today's promotion. But while I have Deanna holding the camera for me today, I do want to show you a full picture of yesterday's quilt. It is really, really pretty. I do not color coordinate today. We have it in the right direction today. So everything's working in our favor, but a really fun quilt to do from the new Quick as a Wink book of the 3-yard quilt kits. It's really fun. So that's what I have for today. I will plan on seeing you tomorrow for the 12th day of Christmas, and I'll also see you tomorrow for Comment Sold. We'll be starting that right at about 5 p.m. tomorrow, and we'll enjoy seeing you. Tea party is this week also, on the 10th, okay? So we will have kits cut by later today for tea party. Everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.